IT is swamped with repetitive tasks that can and should be automated. Employee onboarding and offboarding, virtual machine deployment, infrastructure provisioning, configuration and maintenance, and on and on and on. Today, people do this non-strategic, time-consuming work. Tomorrow, robots will. With UiPath, tomorrow starts today. UiPath's IT automation integrations for Microsoft are purpose-built to free IT teams to focus on strategic work. Streamlining cloud security, optimizing infrastructure utilization, and supporting remote workers. Creating time by automating the repetitive manual tasks that bog them down. UiPath's out-of-the-box integrations automate key activities across your entire Microsoft IT ecosystem. Consider user management, a frequent and time-consuming activity IT deals with daily. In a real-world example, IT at a major European bank was struggling to keep up with employees getting locked out of their Active Directory user accounts. In less than 4 weeks, they fully automated the entire account unlock process, all the way from initial request to closed ticket. Employees were happier, and IT could focus on more important work. Of course, IT is much more than user management, so UiPath provides over 500 out-of-the-box integrations to rapidly automate activities for cloud, server management, DevOps, networking, and security. Over half of them integrate with Microsoft technology and services. The UiPath platform moves far beyond the legacy script-based approaches of yesterday. It's a robust and complete IT automation solution, fast, secure, and easily shareable between teams. IT organizations using UiPath are more responsive and agile and support the business better. Today, your IT teams are buried with busy work. Let UiPath take the robot out of your IT professionals so your business has a solid IT foundation to grow and thrive.